Hello, my name is Roderica Freeman. I learned of Dr. Hall's class through one of her Instagram posts. I am recently divorced. I have 2 children to raise, just bought a house, and looking to make some money in addition to my 9 to 5. I'm looking to retire in 3 years from my career in education and would like to have an established stream of income to supplement my retirement income. I'm looking forward to it. I joined the summit tonight. Thank you. What I would say is Dr. Hall's free has value. You can learn a lot. And if you're open minded and you're willing to invest in yourself, the free class is the way to go. My free 3 takeaways from the class tonight is that applied knowledge is power. Not just knowledge, but applied knowledge is power. That it takes consistency and patience to be successful with this Amazon business, and also the 2 ways of selling or shipping your items: fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by merchant.